Though the federal principle is dominant in our constitution and that principle is one of its basic features, but it is equally true that federalism under the Indian constitution leans in favor of a strong center, a feature that militates against the concept of strong federalism. Discuss, 200 words, 12.5 marks. Introduction. The Indian constitution is often called quasi-federal because it blends aspects of federalism and unitarism. While it creates a federal structure, it grants the central government certain powers that enhance its authority over the states, reflecting a tendency towards unitarism. Body. Features of the Indian constitution favoring a strong center. Division of powers. Powers are divided between the center and the states via 3 lists: Union List, State List, and Concurrent List. Article 246. The Union List contains subjects of national importance, allowing the center to make laws on these topics. The State List covers local subjects, with states having the power to legislate. In case of conflict on concurrent list subjects, central laws take precedence. Article 254. Emergency powers. The center can legislate on state list subjects during a national emergency. Article 352, and assumes legislative powers of states under President's rule. All India services. Services like the IAS and IPS are centrally controlled but serve in the states, ensuring uniformity and central oversight. Role of the Governor. Governors, appointed by the President, can reserve bills for central consideration, often favoring the center. Financial relations. The center holds greater financial control, with significant revenue sources in the Union List. Parliament's power over state territories. Parliament can change state boundaries without state consent. Article 3. Despite these features favoring the center, the Constitution promotes cooperative federalism, as seen in the GST Council, which encourages collaboration between the center and states. Conclusion. While the Indian Constitution has federal characteristics, it also incorporates unitary elements to maintain national unity and ensure effective governance. The challenge is to balance these aspects and prevent potential misuse of provisions that favor the center.